Ryan, what scale are you doing?
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, this is my favorite. Where is the giant guy? I'm only
See, Ryan, with this size track, you gotta have that kind of cars to match the same scale.
I know. These are HO scale. This is HO scale. All of this, I think is.
They are.
Wait, what?
They are. You like that camera on the 30-second run. And then it goes pretty good. Did you make it? Did you know this? Really?
It's good and bad. There's a book at the end.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's your name? Evan.
That's where you're from?
Yeah, well, we're actually just moved. We've been in Ohio for many years.
You're trying to start your life? Well, that's good. You take that home with you. Free card.
There you go. Thank you.
Hey, how you doing?
That's how he's taking a video. There's that. See that? So then you can poke things in. Oil rig. downstairs.
But all that stuff down here is one black. You know what I mean? So it's real easy to blend in section.
Evan, look what happened. I don't know. It was right down there. It hit it. It just like rammed into it, dragged it. Look at that. Ooh.
So I've moved up to HO and all my stuff is now HO.
Oh,
Plus my eyes, you know, I can see
yeah,
it.
that's right.
Well, Ryan
But
has
both
one
of these
too.
layouts were donated to us. This one is pretty much intact except for the ceiling.
Yeah.
And little tower up here with some road stamps and everything, and over this is gonna be a.
It never leaves on this stuff, does it?
No, it doesn't.
I always like train stuff. I used to have racetracks.
Yep,
You know, racetracks?
Yeah,
The only problem with racetracks always had you couldn't go real fast. They slide off the tracks all the time. You had to know when to slow down the curves.
Yeah.
I always thought it'd be neat to have a racetrack mixed in
They made that for a while. They had a crossing for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here it comes! It went on the top one! Tell us if it's coming!
Oh, I think I hear it. It should be coming.
It should be coming!
Oh, it's coming. Where? Oh, here it is.
They have all, everybody goes there and have every, you know, they'll form, and they'll have like a bomb, but it looks like a bomb, it's a pop can with like a sock.
Yep.
And they'll have these big rings in the field, and they'll see who can drop nearest the ring. It's kind of neat. Yeah.
Because the trees got like little studs. Like he got them some trees that have little.
Oh, it does go in there.
Should have got like that blue insulation foam, no?
Kind of like that.
I wanted to put.
Oh yeah, like that. Yeah.
Yeah, they didn't have that at Lowe's. Yeah. We had some of that just laying around at one point, but it probably ended up in pieces. And
Based on insulation foam.
yeah.
So it's a nice, easy, light stuff that you can put on. And
So like our,
And you only put the foam so you can have a base to stick stuff. Is that really what its purpose is?
Yeah, so like the trees, so the idea behind it was we could lay the grass down and then you could just take a knife and come in and poke the tree in.
and then I use, it's like plaster cloth, the same stuff you use.
I think she's cleaning and decorating and
And we're open Saturday and Sunday after Thanksgiving. Okay, so.
We got a little train set today, so we gotta go set it up, don't we?
No,
Take pictures and send it back and show them. Maybe we can set it up in the playhouse too. Why not? Thank you for showing us.
I see the textures and the blue, so it shows up and then take it off.
we're about to take off too. I think we're ready.
I don't know too. Honestly, we didn't really make too many plans on the day, and I think Mama didn't feel like really getting out and doing too much. I don't think. She was
Yep, Buckeyes are crying.
Best place ever.
Not where he starts, where